This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about strainers, specifically these bar Lux strainers. These stainless steel strainers are available in different styles. We have the Hawthorn and also the Julep, and several different finishes. You can see in the Hawthorn, we've got the black plated stainless, copper plated, gold plated, and then also that traditional silver stainless steel. And we have our julep in the copper plated as well. So the Hawthorn strainers are a must-have for any bar setup. And these are designed with a really nice, tight, springy coil on there to really work with most standard size shakers and glasses to make pouring those drinks and straining out any extra ingredients or ice for that perfect pour really easy and easy on your hands, meaning that if you're pouring lots of drinks every night, it's going to be less hand strain and less fatigue as the night goes on. So these are really built out of nice, durable stainless steel to really stand up to that heavy use in a busy bar environment. And I love the julep strainer for just that kind of classic, whimsical, little bit of extra in the presentation. So these are a nice add-on to a bar setup as well, especially if you're going to be making some of those traditional cocktails like juleps. The choice of finishes in these really adds to that special custom touch for your setup. So it's really making your service for your drinks into a show and really adding that little bit of luxe and sparkle to them. So these are perfect for restaurants, bars, hotels, clubs, and caterers, or just to upgrade your bar setup at home when you're entertaining for family and friends.